Read it yourself story. Wrap up period. A read it yourself story wrap up period is the last period of a unit. The objective of this period is to review the read it yourself story, check if the students have understood what they read, and give students a chance to express how they feel about it. The teacher begins the lesson by reviewing the read it yourself story. She will form groups of 4 students and ask them to read together and correct each other. Next, the teacher gives each group a turn to read the story out loud to the class. Last, the teacher asks all the students to read the read it yourself story by themselves. This is a good time to observe, as the teacher may note the words that the students are struggling to read, write them on the board, and then ask the students to repeat them after her. She will then ask the students to open their workbooks and answer the comprehension questions related to the read it yourself story. The workbook exercise contains comprehension and critical thinking questions. The students will read the questions independently and answer them to show how well they have understood the story. The teacher may monitor students' progress by checking their notebooks at the end of the exercise. She may assist any student who is unable to find the correct answer. At the end of the lesson, the students are given a table where they have to indicate how they feel about the story. There are 4 statements given in the table. I can read the story. I understand the story. I can tell the story to a friend. I like the story. 3 faces are given which tell how a student feels. The happy face means yes. The confused face means maybe. The sad face means no. By the end of the lesson, the teacher will have a better idea about the students' progress.